We would like to start with Mr. Pierce Lane. He's from the Temecula Unified School District, and he's going to be talking about his project safety stairs. Pierce?
Hello, my name is Pierce Lane. I go to Rancho Christian School in Temecula, and I was in 5th grade when I came up with this idea for my project safety stairs. I moved to Rancho in late November, and I found out about this project that I had to do in order for my science grade to be high up. And I was 8 weeks late to this project, so I had 6 weeks to complete it, and I had to find out what I had to do and what all I had to get. So that same night, I fell down my stairs. So I figured it would be a good idea to make something to help prevent that. So that is what I did. My dad and I went to Home Depot and we got plywood, waterproof strip light mounting brackets, screws, wires, strip light connectors, 12-volt power, and sensors to put it all together. And we had a bunch of trouble doing so because we found out some of the sensors were not working at all, and we wire them after we put them in, so that put us a few days behind. And so we bought a whole another bag, and we found out that some of those weren't working as well, so we had to go through all of them and check them. And we also had trouble wiring them, so that took us another day or two to figure out.
So, Pierce, tell me, your inspiration was you fell down the stairs. That's a good inspiration. How did you test this?
So as you walk up the stairs, you would trip a sensor, and it's not a motion sensor. It is a infrared beam sensor. And as you walk up, it cuts a little blade that goes through. It's kind of like a garage door. So if you break a beam, then it will just stop or turn something on or off. So it would turn on lights and it will light up the stairs next one up or down, because it can't tell if you're going up or down. And as you're walking up, every time you put a foot down, it lights up. Take it up, it turns off. And I used LED instead of incandescent lights. So instead of paying, let's say you go up the stairs 12 hours a day for a whole year, incandescent lights would cost you around $262 a year. LED lights would cost you less than $8, and it lasts for thousands of years. I was building it. We had some more issues because all of a sudden the wiring would stop working, and then we would have to figure out how to go around that and make sure that it wouldn't happen again. And then we also had it was super messy, so it took us a day or two to clean up. So we had all our sensor wires running upside one wall, and every other wire, positive, negative, and ground, depending on what we had, go up another wall. So that helped clean stuff up. So it was a little bit easier to make. As we kept going, I learned how to wire lights. And during COVID, it was really hard to get stuff. So we couldn't find everything. So we had to emphasize, I guess, and get stuff that was cheap and find out a way to make it work, and so it wouldn't break. And overall, I learned just how this design process can be difficult at sometimes, but you can also work your way around it. And I am looking into a potential patent for my project. So this is my design for my project. And this was our original design, and we were going to have a power system inside the middle and just have wiring go to each sensor, but that did not work at all. So for the prototype, we have to plug it in, but if we were to mount it inside a real building, we would connect it to different power sources throughout the building. So that way it wouldn't look all weird. And that's it for me.